Welcome to everybody. My name is George Ennis from REI Branded Homebuyer. That's www.reibrandedhomebuyer.com. Today we are sitting down and doing a business spotlight on local businesses here in Spokane. And I'm sitting here talking to Tony T with Comparion Insurance Agency. Tony, tell us a little bit about yourself, bud.
I'm a local business owner here in the Spokane area. I serve the Pacific Northwest. I've been in business for years now. Started in the construction industry and ended up in the insurance industry. I am also a head coach at the Spokane Boxing Club. Help at-risk youth with competing in the amateurs, the boxing amateurs, and we travel. But ultimately, I'm also a father of three beautiful girls.
You're a busy man.
Yeah, super busy.
So what inspired you to start your own business? Why insurance? Why in Spokane?
I grew up here. What inspired me was, we'll take it back to the construction days. I was out on Highway 2 mucking concrete, riding, and there was the owner of Winkler Concrete. He jumped off a bus, this bus full of all these business owners, and one of the guys is like, man, there's Brian Winkler right there, man. He is a smart businessman. And I look at him and I'm like, I'm going to be that guy one day. And so I ended up during COVID starting up my own construction company and went from there. Started there, got really overwhelmed. I had a solid structure, but I didn't really have a solid foundation. I failed forward. And then I thought about the long run after a few years in business, and it was either real estate or insurance, and I picked insurance. It was the best route for me, and I love what I do, helping my clients and educating them and understanding the insurance industry and working with individuals like you at REI, Brandon Homebuyer. Yeah.
It's a lot cleaner work too. You're not sitting
Yeah.
there getting dirty all day every day.
Oh no, back breaking, dealing with employees calling out. I have full control of my business, and it's a professionalism. I love it. Yeah.
Cool. What makes your business stand out from others?
I am available all the time. If a client calls me on a Sunday evening, I pick up my phone and I'm there to help them with a claim or a service question. And a lot of people say you got to really dedicate certain time for business, but as a business owner, we're always working. I go above and beyond for my clients. There was one day where one of my clients did not have a bank account in order to get auto coverage, and I met him at the bank and helped him get a bank account set up so he could get that coverage started. I'm not a lazy insurance guy. I go out and I help my clients. So definitely.
My next question was going to be like, what's a favorite customer story? And what's your proud moment you like to share? But I think you just shared it.
Yeah, that's one of them. Also, another one, I had a kid with a car accident, man, and he kept calling me 3 times a day about this claim because he was super scared. He got in this accident. I was able to walk him through the process, and his grandfather was an ex-police officer, so his grandfather called me, and we coached him through the claims process and helped him out. And after the process, the grandfather called me up and thanked me and actually used me for his insurance. Yeah, so. Yeah.
You helped me on a couple of my insurance of the houses that I've done too, right? I think
Yeah.
one of them was a lake house that another insurance company wasn't able to even tackle, but I think you had it done, what, an hour?
Yeah, man. You got to get it done fast and proficient. Yeah, it was in a high fire zone.
Hmm.
High fire zone, and a lot of companies don't like writing high fire zones. And we were able to write it. And when I met you, man, at the networking event, George was very intimidating. I sat there and he looked at me. He says, "I'm like, man, this guy, and he ended up being the coolest guy ever." The coolest guy ever. I got the call from George, and it was awesome, man. Now we're friends.
I don't know how I could be intimidating. It's probably the beard. I don't know.
Yeah, it's the beard.
Oh, that's too funny. No, yeah, I sat down, or was I sitting down already
You're
at the
sitting down
meeting?
already,
And you
yeah.
just sat next to me? Okay, yeah. Don't sit next to me, people.
Yeah,
Jeez, I'm a mean
yeah.
person.
I'm like, is this spot taken? Nope.
It's all yours, dude. So cool, man. These interviews, they don't really go that long. I really like to keep them pretty short. What's the best way for people to support your business or to even get in touch with you? What's your phone number, your website, any information that they can get a hold of you? Just unload it on the camera, let the
Yeah,
people know that are watching.
yeah. Best way is to either reach me by email or phone number or my website or social media. My phone number is 509-294-6231. My email, and I always answer my phone, so whenever you call, I'll answer. My email is Antonio, period, Tessitore, my last name, at comparioninsurance.com. And then my website is, you can find it on Google. You go to Antonio Tessitore at comparioninsuranceagency.com and it will pull up. Yeah.
And we'll make sure that we put all that stuff inside the description down below too, and the YouTube video, the YouTube description, because
Yeah.
I want to make sure that when people type this stuff in, they get directly access to you. And I think that it's very important to reach out to other business owners in this area, Washington, Spokane, anywhere in Spokane, anywhere in Washington for that matter, because it's local businesses that really keep a community together. I know that there's a lot of bigger businesses that might not answer their phone, or you have to get through so many different AI sources in order to even get to the right person that you want to even get to. I did that waste management the other day. I had to go through 5 different prompts just to talk to an operator.
Yeah.
And it's ridiculous. So having local businesses like yourself that's able to take care of the insurance needs, and you're taking care of several of my insurance needs right now.
Yeah.
And I'm very thankful for that, man.
Absolutely.
And I'm very thankful for your time today. I just called this guy out of the middle of nowhere just to interview him, and he just happened to be close by. Do you have anything else that you want to add, or?
Yeah, I just want to, not only am I, as an entrepreneur, you look at different outlets of how to come up with ideas of businesses, right? Different sources of income. And I will tell you that REI Branded Homebuyer has helped me tremendously learning how to wholesale. And George has been an open book. So I want to thank you for that, for sure.
Man, you're making me blush.
Yeah.
No, I'm always here for you, man. I think it was great that we could get together and get to know each other and become friends. I think it's been almost a year now.
Yeah.
It's been almost a year. Holy crap.
Yeah.
Time flies by.
Yeah.
But thanks so much, man, for your time. And I want to thank everybody else that's watching this video right here. Again, I'm George from REI Branded Homebuyer. You can go to www.reibrandedhomebuyer.com to check us out. And of course, don't forget to check out Tony T over here at Comparion Insurance. And we'll see you all in the next video. I hope to bring you some more business owners that are local to Spokane and also all of Washington. So, dude, thank you again for your time. I think this interview went great. So,
yeah, absolutely, man.
Cool.
All right, brother. And remember, I'm Tony T, and I got your back for life.
I support this guy. Bye-bye.